Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. It's prezzie time again folks. It's sent a couple of parcels from Natasha, aka the bird lady of the Zoom. Yes folks. So without further ado, should we have a looky loo at what we've got? So we'll start with the bag. We've got a message here. It says, a gift from Natasha for your continued support. Lots of love. Bless her. And she's been through my Amazon list, folks, because she has got me the big Langlo all-purpose big box of filler. And this is perfect for all my vignettes I'm going to be doing, as well as doing all the grouting on me dioramas. She's definitely been through my Amazon list sneakily, bless her, and she's grabbed me some of this, and it is absolutely brilliant for doing your vignettes and building up areas so that you can then go over it with the plaster strips and stuff and just build your dioramas up. But also, say for instance, where I'm doing me cobbles, I can rub it in and it will fill all the little grout lines, and then you can just put a little bit of ballast freeze in there and it activates it. Job done. So massive thanks for that, Natasha, because I was running out, love. So you've pretty much nailed that. And she's also sent me a packet here. We'll just grab that. It says, a gift from Natasha and the birdies. Me and the birdies really hope you'll enjoy a little gift from us. Natasha and the birdies, bless her. And look at this, folks. This is the National Geographic 3D puzzle of Notre Dame. And it comes with a nice book as well about Paris and all the sights and that around it, folks. And there's 120 pieces in here. It says no glues, no tools, and it should take 120 to 220 minutes to do. Yeah, this is Festa, don't forget. On the back there, you got some nice, beautiful artwork there showing you what you're getting in the box. And there's different ones in the series as well, folks. Let's have a little looky-kins in here and see what we get, shall we? So we'll just have an open up. And we'll tip that over so that we don't drop anything. And we'll let you see what you're getting in these. There you go. Let's put the box just to one side. That's a reel of tape that you get with it. You then also get your little press tool there. It's basically a hole punch for all the different windows that are in it, so keep hold of that. You then get the instructions there showing you what your model's going to look like. Really nice simple instructions there, shows you how to fold it, how to assemble all the side walls. Really is well laid out, this, as you can see. And for those of you thinking of getting these are perfect little mojo busters to have handy at the bench. Just in case you're struggling, you can pop one of these on the bench and yeah, have yourself a good few hours of fun. And I'm going to be doing random live streams. I might just set a schedule and do them anyway, and then obviously if I can't make any, I can pull the shows at the last minute. But this would be perfect for that sort of thing, just to do these live on air, folks. So keep an eye on the channel and ring the bell, because I am looking at whizzing through me stash and probably live streaming a lot of me builds, and then I can edit them into videos for later release as standalone videos that way. So yeah, keep an eye out, folks. But you've got all your different assemblies here that go round all the roof supports, and yeah, look at that lot. Really does look a stunning piece of kit, and it looks like it's printed as well. So you're going to get a lot of detail on it. So that's the instructions there, and that's what you're going to end up with at the end there, folks, okay? So keep that to hand. You then also get a really beautiful colour book there on Paris, and it just gives you all the different landmarks and features around Paris, beautifully laid out. So yeah, it's definitely worth a read. There's Notre Dame there in all her glory, currently undergoing restoration, bless her, from the fire that caused a lot of damage, but it looks like she's been saved. There's the Eiffel Tower. It's a nice place to go to, the Arc de Triomphe there. Having been to Paris several times, I must admit I do like it out there. It's River Seine. Me and my wife sailed down there. I think it was our 10th anniversary and we went there. The Palais Garnier. There you go. Probably absolutely savaged the French language, but hey, you know. Really is a beautiful book, that. So give it a read, folks. You can sit there and have a good old looky-loo. Yeah, I'm on all the cuisine now. This is your Bordeaux now. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. We'll whop that open with a knife and we'll show you all the different sheets we get. Why not? Why not indeed? Let's see if we can get that open. Look at that, folks. All the detail in there. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? That lot. That is stunning. And you got all the other bits and bobs going on there. It's even printed on the inside. What a beautiful item. Look at the detail around these arches. All the brickwork. Even got all the statues and everything along there, folks. Look at that lot. It's jumping out at you. It's like it's 3D. Yeah, all the stained glass windows. Oh, mate, there'll be some wibbles and dagnammits with that lot. And they're actually decals or stickers by the look of that. Gonna have fun with this, Natasha. Look at that. Yeah, I like that a lot. There's the spire, all the roof tiles on there. But absolutely faithfully replicates all the detail. And if you haven't been to Notre Dame, or you know, you fancy doing something like this, what a lovely idea. Absolutely amazing. And you've got a base that goes with it as well, with all the courtyard and everything in there and all the cobbles on the road. And it's absolutely beautifully printed. What's it they would say? Faithfully reproduced. Yeah. Absolutely stunning, that. There's all your trees in the walkway there for the base. All your brick walls, all of that gubbins going on, arches there. Yeah, Fox is at home singing it again. Look at that lot. The detail is phenomenal. You would see all the oak print on all the doors there, all the features. Absolutely gorgeous, it really is. And you've got a nice little plaque there, Notre Dame de Paris. Yeah, I like that. I really do like that a lot. My missus will like this at all. It'll be, no doubt it will get claimed. But yeah, I like that. What a beautiful, beautiful gift. So massive, massive thank yous there, Natasha, for that. I really am going to look forward to doing that, and I'll probably do this on the live stream, love. So there you go, folks. That is the Notre Dame and the all-purpose filler from the lovely Natasha, the bird lady of the Zoom. So massive, massive thank yous, Natasha, from the bottom of my heart, darling. Big birdie hugs issued. And have a double look at the thumbnail, darling. So until the next one, folks, bye-bye for now. Stay safe and well. And give big hugs to Natasha in the chat when you see her on me live streams, because she's fought a dear old Festa there, bless her. So love and hugs issued. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,